I made this video very particularly because this is a very close to life video of mine. This video takes you through how I was set up in a 1 BHK which costed a bomb in Bangalore, and how that same 1 BHK did change my life. This house made me start my YouTube channel by giving me time and explaining how that worked, and it came with a cost, and that's exactly what I'm going to tell you in this video. Do watch out for it. It's going to be very surprising. Okay, let's get into the video. In this small house, among my coffee mugs, my books, my balcony, and my plants, I found something which is priceless. I'll tell you what that is. That is time. And in a city like Bangalore, time is currency. You cannot afford to waste time in any way possible. When I first moved to Bangalore, I had a lot of pressure, I had a lot of dreams, and I was like burning out, I was burning out in my life. And that one question which I had in my mind was, where am I going to stay? That is exactly everybody's question when you enter Bangalore. Okay, so I saw this 1 BHK in HSR Layout where the broker told me, boss, you need to pay 30k per month. Hey guys, hi. So we are going to check out my 1 BHK which I'm seeing out here in Bangalore, and it's a very compact 1 BHK. I'll just take you on a tour on my little kingdom here. You can check it out, and probably if you want me to check out your space, do let me know. I could come in for a tour. Bye. This is my house, this is my home, this is a 1 BHK which is not pretty huge. This is the kitchen where I burnt enough rotis, but among it, cooked some good food also, for my pride I would say. This is the desk where I spent countless hours working on my dreams, and a very small balcony that becomes my space zone in this racing city, the fast city. This balcony stopped time, I would tell you. These little things like my favorite mug, my goodies on my shelf, of course my collection of cars, and the space which I set up. See, all these little things made me feel that it is a very safe space for me. Yes. So this is exactly what someone would want to do if they wanted to live alone in Bangalore and they want to spend their own time. See, every corner of this house is a piece of my journey. I don't say this is how it is connected to me. Hi, yeah, tell me. Yeah, I'm looking for 1 BHK. Yeah. Somewhere near HSR could be. Yeah. Kurmangla. Yeah. What's the rent? 25k. Okay, no. Let's look. Marthali. I'll shrink this into a very simple point, okay? A city like Bangalore, or any tier 1 city for the sake, which is on rapid growth, gives you two options. One, you save money and lose time. Second option is you save time and pay a little bit more. I chose the second option because I wanted peace of mind. By staying close to my office, which was in HSR Layout, I avoided a solid 6-kilometer traffic jam every day. But I got those hours back. The main thing was, as soon as I come back home, I could work on what I love. See, if I had chosen to save money and stay far away from my workplace, which most of you guys are doing, I would have been stuck in a bus or in my bike or in my scooter, and I wouldn't have watched my dream come true. Okay, even if it is a small dream, I would say it was one of the best decisions I've taken in the last decade, I would tell you. You're telling me that from Marthali to HSR would take me 1 hour, right, in my scooter? Okay, let's forget that. What's the next stop? You got something which comes up in Electronic City, or something which is there on the other side. Oh yeah, the distance is big. Yeah, it takes hours to come to the office. I'll tell you what are the struggles that come with it. Okay, first of all, your freedom is taken off. I'll tell you how. Okay, living alone in Bangalore is not always pretty. Okay, it's not that easy. You cook your own food and you clean your own plates. You do your own laundry. You get your freedom, but you also get your loneliness which comes with you. See, when you choose this life, you have to be of your own company. Okay, and you have to accept the very dream that comes with a cost. For me, The cost is this rent, I'll tell you, nothing else. It is not cheap, it was very expensive. Time is expensive. I just wanted to, like, at least by the age of 30, I wanted to start off with what I really love to do, my passion and things like that. So I took this risk. Hello? What? 30,000 rupees? No, it's just for 1 BHK, right? Yeah, I understand that it is HSR, but 30,000 rupees for 1 BHK. Anna, I'll do one thing. Okay. I'll do one thing. Give me 1 or 2 days, I'll call you back. Okay? I'll see and call you back. Every one of us take decisions in life. We think big and we'll expect life to change drastically and with big moves, right? I don't believe it. Most of the time, it is the small decisions that shape us, okay? Choosing to live close and choosing to live with yourself, choosing to live with extra time in your 24-hour day format. More than that, choosing to use that time to build what you really love. That is what this 1 BHK taught me. And think about you. You have your own small decision which is waiting. See, let this be a very good message to all the dreamers out there who are entering Bangalore, or if you're young, if you're old, or whatever that might be, if you're single, you have a family, anything. What, you want me to decide paying rent of 30,000 rupees for a 1 BHK in the next 5 minutes because you've got a lineup of people there? Okay. Chill. I'm coming now. I will come now. I'll see the place. I'll close it. I'm coming now. Just give me 5 minutes time. I'm just coming. See, if you're watching this and you are planning to move to Bangalore, or maybe you are already here in Bangalore, wondering if you should take that small step, I want you to know that chasing dreams always comes with a cost. For me, it is my rent which I'm paying. To build your own future and to build your own small, peaceful life, pay it. Don't worry about it at all. It will yield well, is what I'm telling you. I chose this 1 BHK not just because it is a small house in HSR, but as an investment in myself. And I hope you should choose to invest in yourself. If this story connected with you, drop a comment, share your journey, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's chase our dreams, no matter the cost, what comes with it. Okay, cool. No, just see, Anna, what I'm telling you is try to find me a house which will be nearer to my office, which is in HSR, and I do not want to pay too much rent. I want to rent less than 15K. Okay, find me a house, call me back. Bye.